How to add shipping address on Temu. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can add your own address. First of all, open the application. Now here on the bottom, you can see a profile icon. Tap on this profile icon. So this is the section where your profile shows up. Here, you'll be able to see the option called address. Tap on address. Now tap on add a new address. Here, you must enter your name, your last name and your full address. So enter every details that you have. Now here on the bottom you can see address search. So you can search your address directly from this section. Just enter your address and it will automatically search it for you. Now after you enter all these details, here on the bottom you can see this agree button. Tap on it and you can simply tap on save. So this is how you add a new address. Thank you for watching this video. I hope this video will help you.